Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again. In this video we are going to see that how can we run 32-bit program on a 64-bit operating system. So first click on our start and search for the option Windows feature. Windows feature, and there we go. Click enter and it's opening. Let it be open. Okay, so in that we have to select the Internet Information Services. Just click on OK and go for it, and it takes around 3 to 4 minutes to complete. Let it be completed, and then after I will start my video again. So guys, as you can see, the Windows has completed the request changes. Now we just close it up and refresh our computers sometimes, and again we go to start and search for option IIS, that is Internet Information Services, and we just click on it, Internet Information Services Manager, and there you can see the desktop version or your desktop name. Maybe you have a different desktop name. Just click on it, and you can see the application pools. Click on it, open it, and there you see default app pool. Go for it and right click on it and set for advanced settings. Thereafter you will find in general enable 32-bit applications, and it is preset as false. You will directly go to it and set it as true. Okay, and just click on OK and close it up. Refresh your computers and again restart your computer. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can. Thank you.